Using Forex secrets to trade stocks, futures, and cryptocurrencies. Whether or not you realize it yet, we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. The knowledge that I share in my ebook is the key to financial stability in your lives and the lives of your children. Do not take this opportunity for granted. I promise you, if you get focused and roll up your sleeves, you will find it. If you ever had a chance at success as a trader, it is through this doorway. In this ebook you will learn how to identify the highs and lows of the day, which times to avoid trading at all cost, the best times and sessions to trade, how to identify the clues that will clearly show you the market makers are about to strike, how to predict the market makers' next moves can save your account from being completely wiped out, the closely guarded secrets that the market makers hope you never find out, how to spot the market maker cycles and which direction the market is going to turn. Get yours today at https://forexstrategy.gruzdistribution.com.